Have you heard about the latest AI model from OpenAI, the GPT-4 Turbo? This enhanced version is the cutting edge of AI technology, accessible through an application programming interface, or API, and also to subscribers of ChatGPT+. Stepping up its game, GPT-4 Turbo can process a range of multimedia inputs from images to videos, and provide in-depth responses. Imagine having an AI that can analyze your food photos and identify the global cuisine. Now that's a dinner conversation starter. This upgrade doesn't stop at multimedia. With JSON mode, developers can automate actions like sending emails or making purchases. The context window has also been expanded to a whopping 128,000 tokens, allowing for detailed image analysis and high proficiency in generating computer code. So that's the GPT-4 Turbo, a powerful tool that's going to change the way we interact with AI. Stay tuned for more on its features in the next scene. Now you might be wondering what makes GPT-4 Turbo stand out. Well, it's all about the features. This latest iteration of OpenAI's technology boasts an impressive array of enhancements that propels it leagues ahead of its predecessors. First, let's talk about its multimedia prowess, GPT-4. Turbo is no longer just about text. It can now process and analyze images, videos, and other forms of multimedia inputs. This opens up a new dimension of possibilities, from recognizing food images from various global cuisines to providing in-depth insights based on visual data. Next, we have the expanded context window. Now standing at a whopping 128,000 tokens, this allows for a much broader scope of analysis. Whether you're dealing with a lengthy document or a complex image, GPT-4 Turbo can handle it with ease. But that's not all. The introduction of JSON mode takes automation to the next level. Developers can now automate actions like sending emails, making purchases, and posting online using a JSON code snippet. This means that integrating GPT-4 Turbo into applications and services is now more streamlined than ever. Furthermore, GPT-4 Turbo shows high proficiency in generating computer codes. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a coding novice, this feature can be a game-changer, making the process of creating functional websites and interpreting images and text accurately a breeze. And let's not forget about cost efficiency. GPT-4 Turbo is 3 times cheaper for input tokens, and 2 times cheaper for output tokens compared to the original GPT-4 model. Plus, the maximum number of output tokens for this model is 4,096. This makes GPT-4 Turbo not only more powerful but also more economical. With these features, GPT-4 Turbo is more than just an upgrade, it's a revolution in AI technology. From its ability to analyze a wider range of data to its improved cost efficiency, GPT-4 Turbo is setting the stage for what's next in the world of artificial intelligence. You're probably thinking, how can I get my hands on GPT-4 Turbo? Well, let's dive right into it. If you're already an OpenAI API account holder with existing GPT-4 access, you're in luck. GPT-4 Turbo is readily accessible to you. To utilize this latest model, all you have to do is specify GPT-4 Turbo as the model name in the API. It's as simple as that. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that rate limits come into play. These limits can vary based on your tier, but don't worry, you can easily check these details on the limits page. If you're inquisitive and want to dive deeper into the nuts and bolts of GPT-4 Turbo, the developer documentation is your go-to resource. It provides comprehensive deep dives into the differences across GPT-4 Turbo-dated models. So there you have it, accessing GPT-4 Turbo is as easy as a few clicks. But OpenAI isn't stopping at GPT-4 Turbo. The horizon of artificial intelligence technology is ever expanding, and OpenAI is set on pushing the boundaries. Reports suggest that the company is already working on the next iteration, GPT-5. This news was confirmed by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman himself. In a recent conversation with tech luminary Bill Gates, Altman hinted at the advanced features that GPT-5 might bring. While the specifics are still under wraps, AI enthusiasts are already speculating about the capabilities of this future model. Some are predicting a launch as early as the summer of 2025. GPT-5 is expected to be more advanced and have more parameters, taking AI to unprecedented heights. This continuous innovation and commitment to advancement is what sets OpenAI apart in the realm of artificial intelligence. With OpenAI's continuous innovation, the future of AI looks brighter than ever.